This is a program that I wrote called OutlookFlow, and it searches your Outlook email specific folders or your entire inbox, if you like, for customers or for emails under certain circumstances that extend well beyond the search parameters of the single line search in Outlook. So, right now I have this set to my email. I'm going to be looking in the collections, and I'm going to look back for 12 days with no other criteria. It's going to be big, so I'm going to pause it as it's running. At the bottom here, I put in a bar so you can see about where we're going and how much time is left. So right now it's searching the Outlook. Whoops, I'm sorry about that. So about 3%. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it so you don't have to fast forward. Okay, you can see it took the minutes elapsed right here. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. It scanned 268 emails and it found 267. But I need that narrowed down even further. So I've chosen to, in the subjects to exclude these words. If the subject has, sorry, it's been a long day. If the subject includes these words, I don't want the email. So let's run that. Okay. So by excluding these words here, that got us down to 236, but that's not enough. I think the subject needs to contain something specific, not something I want removed, but something to search for. In this case, technology. We're interested in only subjects that have the word technology. So let's extract those. Okay. Now we're down to 100 out of 268. However, I don't like all these words. This email originated from outside. I don't need to see all that in the body. So I'm going to tell it words to exclude from the body. And I have a whole list of things because I don't want the dears and the hellos and the thank yous and the highs. I just want the actual meaningful information. So I have two columns here. So we still have some free space if I find something else. So let's go ahead and extract those. Lastly, if you look at the emails, some of these are quite long. So even though in the body it's brought it in, let's drag this down. Whoops. Yeah, we have all this in here that's just eating everything up for our memory and making everything run slow. So let's limit the number of characters that it's going to return. So we're going to put in 300 characters. As you can also see, our minutes are getting less. So let's extract this. This time I'm not going to pause, just so you can see how fast the macro is actually running. And you can look down here at the bottom and watch it working. So it's scanning all of the emails in my collections. It's excluding these words. It's excluding these words from the body. It's limiting the characters that it's bringing back to 300, so I can just get the meat. And then it's only looking back 12 days. I could set this to 0 for immediate. I could set it for 1 for yesterday. I could leave it blank and it would search all time. But if you're going to search your email for all time, I suggest doing it overnight, especially if you have been with the company for a long time and have hundreds of thousands of emails. Other areas over here that I didn't use are emails to exclude. So if you want to put in your boss's email or you want to put in a customer's email that you don't want to see, you can do that and it will exclude any of those emails from the sender and it will not populate. Okay, so that took 1 minute and 6 seconds. It found 100 emails and it only gave us the information we wanted. And so now we're ready to proceed to whatever project that this data has in store. Thank you.